All right, it's here. Our backhoe, so Daddy can do lots of work on the outside of this place. He'll be excited when he gets home from work. And of course we have the electric guy here working on our air conditioner.
And we have our tractor.
Yeah, got our new big backhoe. So Daddy can collect rocks and dirts over at the piles.
So Daddy can collect the piles. And this is when he gets home from work.
Yeah. Here it comes.
Here it comes.
All right, there it is. We'll put it in the big barn. All right. Our friend Barker is gonna unload it since Daddy's at work. There we go. Oh, look at that. Huh? No, the cats aren't in the way. They're fine. There we go. Say a prayer that everything works right. We bought this online. Beautiful sunny day. Thank you, Lord. Wonder if he needs my help. All right, Daddy's starting up the backhoe. He's gonna play around, figure out what everything does. Hopefully you won't run into the garage.